Hi, good morning ladies and gentlemen. Today we'll be talking about bad habits that happen to everyone, and bad habits can steal and rob your dream and your success. So today I will be sharing with you on bad habit number 4, which is busy in the wrong activities. Have you noticed that people are somewhat busy? But the question is, are we busy for the right thing or are we busy for the wrong activities? We can be very busy from morning until night every single day. However, when you question your activity, is the activity helping you to achieve your KPI? Or the activity is just the activity that is stealing your time? For instance, if you say you want to reach your work KPI, are you doing the thing that is wanted by your organization, or are you doing the things that is wanted by you? For instance, are you spending too much time looking at Facebook, going into Instagram or WhatsApp? And then these are all personal things, but it has nothing to do with the KPI set by your organization. These are when people are busy on the wrong activities, but not busy on the right activities. So when we spend a lot of time in the wrong places like social media, Facebook, Instagram, we are actually taking away the time from doing the right activities. And this can become a very bad habit because day in, day out, on daily basis, we are performing these wrong activities. Then we end up with not enough time to do the right activities. It's 5 o'clock already. It's the end of the day. It's time to go home. Ladies and gentlemen, a person cannot become a masterpiece if the person spends the time in the wrong places. So, for you to appreciate time, you must know that you can have a lot of things done if you question the activity. So, how do you question? You ask yourself, how much time I need to spend on the right activities? Second question, are my activities helping me to achieve my KPI? The third question, if I'm doing the right thing, how do I measure the results? If I do the right activity, how do I measure the results? So very important, ladies and gentlemen. Supposedly somebody say, I want to go for a swimming. There he is, he got ready and now he's at the swimming pool. Then he saw his friends in the swimming pool. Instead of going to the swimming pool and start swimming for many laps, he jumped into the swimming pool and have a half an hour conversation in the swimming pool. Then he swim for 1-2 laps, stop, continue the conversation. And then swim another 1-2 laps and have another conversation. So out of 60 minutes in the swimming pool, he only spent 12 minutes swimming and the rest of the time, which is 48 minutes, having conversation. This is when swimming doesn't help, because 48 minutes is on the conversation and 12 minutes is on the swimming. Now you understand sometimes you spend too much time in the wrong places and wonder why we don't have enough time. It is because you spend time in the wrong places. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you learned something and I see you in the next video. My name is Jackson.